Welcome to section 15.1, Radical Expression. Today we're going to talk about the principal root. So when we're asking to find the principal root, here we have an example. So the principal root, meaning finding the square root of 16. So most of the time, people would say 4, which is acceptable. Now you might have something that says positive, negative 4. So depending on the question, if I ask you for the principal root, then here you can safely say that you're finding the positive root. So square root of 16 is 4. Now if you have a question where it says x equal to square root of 16, this is basically meaning find the principal of the square root of 16. So therefore, you can say that x equals to 4. And that will be your final answer. So when you see where it's just saying to simplify and it just have square root of 16, you can safely assume that you're looking for the principal root, meaning just a positive number. Or if you have x equals the square root of 16 or x equals the square root of a number, then you can safely say you're finding the principal root, meaning x should equal to a positive root. In this case, x is equal to positive 4. So make sure you know the distinction when you're simplifying and solving. Solving would involve finding the possible of a positive and a negative root. Keep that in mind. In the second example, if you just see square root of 36 and it just asks you to simplify, then again, you can say that you're looking for the principal root. So the square root of 36 is 6. Now if you had a question, just like in the previous example where it's x equal 36, then again, you can say that you're looking for the principal root, meaning that you're looking for the positive root. So therefore, x is equal to a positive 6. And that will be your final answer. And let me box that up. So again, if you just see a square root and it asks you to simplify, you're doing the principal root. Now let's do the same process for the next example. Again, I only see a square root of 49 and it's basically asking you to simplify, meaning that you're looking for the principal root. So therefore, I'm just looking for the positive root. So the only thing that is the square root of 49 is 7. And same thing, if you have an equation and you're solving for x, where it's just simply x equal 49, then this is basically meaning that you're looking for the principal root. So therefore, x is equal to 7. So this is my final answer. So that's basically what it means for finding the principal root. So make sure you know, again, the difference between finding the principal root and then finding the roots of a given problem.